We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford white 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Right here you've got your model number and serial number right there. ERG 25026N, 50 gallons. And the serial number, you can go to bradfordwhite.com, hit register, the register link, and give them your serial number, your contact information. They'll get your warranty going, 6-year parts and 1-year labor. At the top, we gave you 2 new stub outs out of the wall. These 2 pipe nipples, the galvanized, that's the silver looking ones up there. The hot and the cold, they were corroded. They were both leaking behind the wall. Not behind the wall, but in front of the wall where the other valve was. So brand new pipe sticking out of the wall. And then of course, that's a 1/4 turn ball valve, 90 degree on, 90 degree off. And then brass fitting to a Falcon stainless steel connector that's corrugated down to a brass extension. And then on the hot side, no valve required. But same thing, Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. And then here's the relief valve, comes with the unit, temperature and pressure relief. It's a safety feature. If you get too much temperature and or pressure in the unit, that will pop off and the water will drain down this line and then into the wall. This is yours. And then it stubs into the wall, goes down. I don't know where it terminates. I'm imagining somewhere in the entryway over off the garage wall. As you walk up to the house, there's going to be a pipe about 6 inches off the ground pointing down. And that's where it'll drain to. This is ours though. So the copper is brand new. We had a couple of corrugated connectors in there, not stainless steel, but copper. So we cut that out, did rigid pipe. And a little bit of movement on this pipe. Nothing we can do about it though, because the fitting is behind the wall. But anyways, that's a safety feature there. Upper third adjustable strap, lower third adjustable strap. And then down here, you've got brand new gas valve, a brand new gas connector over to the controller. And we'll go ahead and get it lit in a minute, and we'll give you a holler, let us know we're done. Outside of that, this installation is done.